Welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. The process is straightforward, so let's get started step by step. First, log in to your Squarespace account. If you're new to Squarespace, you can click on Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to sign up. Transferring your domain directly to Squarespace helps keep everything in one place, making it easier to manage both your website and domain settings. Once you're logged in, select the website where you want to connect your domain. From there, head to Settings, then click on Domains and Email. Next, choose Domains and select Use a domain I own. Now, type in the domain name that's currently registered with Godaddy. After entering the domain, Squarespace will display details about it, including where it's registered and the original registration date. When you see this information, click on Transfer Domain to continue. At this point, Squarespace will ask for a Transfer Authorization Code, also known as an EPP code. To get this code, open a new tab and log in to your Godaddy account. From your dashboard, go to My Products and locate the domain you want to transfer. Click Manage, then select Domain Settings from the left-hand menu. Scroll down to the Registration Settings section and choose Transfer Domain Away from Godaddy. Godaddy will then send an authorization code to the email address associated with your account. Once you receive the code, return to Squarespace and paste it into the transfer code field. Click Save and Continue. Squarespace will verify the code and prompt you to complete the transfer payment, which includes a 1-year renewal of your domain. After payment, Godaddy will send you a confirmation email asking you to approve the transfer. Make sure you approve it so the process can continue. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Squarespace. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials.